Young Pakistani actress and model Hana Amir have turned 24 today. Photos and videos of a surprise birthday party from her friends are going viral on social media. It can be seen in the pictures that this birthday was celebrated at the house of Wajahat Rauf, the director of the Raksi Bismil drama, and Hana Amir's friends were invited there. And unfortunately, there was no one of her own at her birthday party. Hana Amir had also announced 2 days ago that someone had mistyped my birthday on Wikipedia. I was born on February 12th, not February 11th. She also said that the spelling of my name was misspelled. If we talk about her successful drama, then the drama serial Anna became very popular among the people. And on the other hand, 90% of people like the innocence of their face so much that it inspires people to become their fans. Until a few years ago, it was common news on social media that something was going on between Hana Amir and Pakistani singer Sima Zahra, and they got engaged. Because the two were seen dating all the time, everywhere. But Hana Amir confirmed in a social media interview that I and Sima are just good friends and nothing is going on behind them. And it has been proven since the interview that the two have parted ways. Hana Amir's 24th birthday celebrated with great fanfare at director Wajahat Rauf's house. Leading Pakistani celebrities participated, in which Iqra Aziz, Yazia Hussain, Shahzad Sheikh, Maryam Ansari, Imran Ashraf, and Ali Ansari spotted at the birthday party. Don't forget to congratulate actress Hana Amir on her 24th birthday. Thanks.